At least 25 children aged between 5 months and 8 years in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan are dead because their parents gave them something that millions of parents do every single day across the world: give their children cough syrup. Now, I want you to look at their faces and listen to their names, because what I'm about to show you takes the cough syrup death story to a terrifying new level. Adnan Khan, 5 years old. Anas, 6 years old. Bhanu, 17 months old. Chanchalesh Yaduvanshi, 7 years old. Nityansh, 5 years old. Rishika Pipre, 5 years old. Samrat, 2 years old. Shivam Rathore, 4 years old. Tirath Raj, 2 years old. Usaid Khan, 4 years old. Vidhi Deharia, 3 years old. Vikas Yaduvanshi, 3 years old. Yojita Thakre, 2 years old. Dhani, 1.5 years old. And Sehrish, just 7 months old. There are many more whose pictures we have, but not their names. And there are many more whose names we have, but not their pictures. But there are at least 25 children who have died. Each of these is a child who will never grow up, a life cut short by something as ordinary, mundane, and trusted as cough syrup. Now, this tragedy
NDTV
began with a story, like I said, that NDTV first noticed and headlined last week. It has now become India's biggest health story. It's on the front pages of every newspaper in every part of the country. This NDTV campaign, Cough of Death, will not rest, and this is my personal guarantee, until there is justice, until heads roll, be it at the highest level, and until every parent can trust that what they give their child to cure a cough will not steal their life.